36 questions, 5 seconds each. Count your score. Let's see how far you get. Let's go. Question 1. Who was the leader of Nazi Germany during World War II? Your options: A. Adolf Hitler, B. Benito Mussolini, C. Joseph Stalin, D. Hideki Tojo. It's A. Adolf Hitler. Hitler started the war in Europe. Question 2. What year did World War II begin? A. 1939, B. 1941, C. 1945, or D. 1936. Lock it in. It's A. 1939. Germany invaded Poland that September. Most people missed that one. Question 3. Which nation was attacked at Pearl Harbor? Is it A. United States, B. United Kingdom, C. Australia, or D. China? It's A. United States. It brought the US into the war. Question 4. Who was the British Prime Minister for most of the war? Your options: A. Winston Churchill, B. Neville Chamberlain, C. Clement Attlee, D. Anthony Eden. It's A. Winston Churchill. Churchill inspired Britain with bold speeches. Question 5. What was the popular name for the Normandy invasion? A. D-Day, B. Operation Torch, C. Battle of Britain, or D. Operation Husky. Lock it in. It's A. D-Day. D-Day occurred on June 6, 1944. Question 6. Which country suffered the most total deaths in WW2? Is it A. Soviet Union, B. Germany, C. Japan, or D. United Kingdom? It's A. Soviet Union. The USSR lost over 20 million people. Did you get it? Level 2. Level 2. Rising challenge. Still perfect? Tell me in the comments. Question 7. What was the name of Germany's 1941 invasion of the USSR? Your options: A. Operation Barbarossa, B. Operation Sea Lion, C. Operation Torch, D. Operation Overlord. It's A. Operation Barbarossa. It was the largest land invasion ever. Question 8. Which battle was the turning point in the Pacific Theater? A. Battle of Midway, B. Battle of Iwo Jima, C. Pearl Harbor, or D. Battle of Guadalcanal. Lock it in. It's A. Battle of Midway. U.S. Navy destroyed 4 Japanese carriers there. Question 9. What German Air Force bombed Britain in 1940? Is it A. Luftwaffe, B. Wehrmacht, C. Kriegsmarine, or D. Gestapo? It's A. Luftwaffe. The Luftwaffe lost the Battle of Britain. Question 10. Who was known as the Desert Fox? Your options: A. Erwin Rommel, B. Heinz Guderian, C. Bernard Montgomery, D. George Patton. It's A. Erwin Rommel. Rommel led German forces in North Africa. That one fools almost everyone. Question 11. What aircraft dropped the bomb on Hiroshima? A. Enola Gay, B. Boxcar, C. Memphis Belle, or D. Flying Fortress? Lock it in. It's A. Enola Gay. The B-29 bomber was named Enola Gay. Question 12. Where was the Yalta Conference held in 1945? Is it A. Crimea, B. Berlin, C. London, or D. Washington? It's A. Crimea. Stalin, Roosevelt, and Churchill met there. Level 3. Level 3. Intermediate. Still perfect? Tell me in the comments. Question 13. What German encryption machine was cracked by Allies? Your options: A. Enigma, B. Lorenz, C. Typex, D. Purple. It's A. Enigma. Breaking Enigma helped win the Battle of Atlantic. Question 14. Which city was hit by the first atomic bomb? A. Hiroshima, B. Nagasaki, C. Tokyo, or D. Osaka? Lock it in. It's A. Hiroshima. It was destroyed on August 6, 1945. No shame if you missed it. Question 15. What was the largest tank battle in history? Is it A. Battle of Kursk, B. Battle of Stalingrad, C. Battle of El Alamein, or D. Battle of Midway? It's A. Battle of Kursk. Over 6,000 tanks fought at Kursk. Question 16. What was the final major German offensive in the West? Your options: A. Battle of the Bulge, B. Battle of Britain, C. Operation Citadel, D. Siege of Leningrad. It's A. Battle of the Bulge. It was Hitler's last gamble in the Ardennes. Question 17. What was the code name for the Allied North Africa invasion? A. Operation Torch, B. Operation Husky, C. Operation Dragoon, or D. Operation Market Garden? Lock it in. It's A. Operation Torch. It was the first major US offensive. Question 18. What project built the first atomic bombs? Is it A. Manhattan Project, B. Operation Paperclip, C. Trinity Project, or D. Alsos Mission? It's A. Manhattan Project. It was led by J. Robert Oppenheimer. Most people miss that one. Level 4. Speed round. 3 seconds per question. Ready? Go! Question 19. What name was given to Japanese suicide pilots? Your options: A. Kamikaze, B. Samurai, C. Bushido, D. Ronin. It's A. Kamikaze. Kamikaze means divine wind in Japanese. Question 20. What was the main German rocket bombarding London? A. B-2, B. B-1, C. Panzer I-4, or D. Messerschmitt 262? Lock it in. It's A. B-2. The B-2 was the first ballistic missile. Question 21. What was the code name for the overall D-Day operation? Is it A. Operation Overlord, B. Operation Neptune, C. Operation Jubilee, or D. Operation Cobra? It's A. Operation Overlord. Overlord was history's largest invasion. Question 22. Which Italian island did Allies invade in 1943? Your options: A. Sicily, B. Sardinia, C. Crete, D. Malta. It's A. Sicily. It was codenamed Operation Husky. Did you get it? Question 23. Who commanded U.S. Pacific Fleet during the war? A. Chester Nimitz. B. Douglas MacArthur. C. William Halsey. Or D. Raymond Spruance. Lock it in. It's A. Chester Nimitz. Nimitz directed the island hopping campaign. Question 24. What Polish city saw a major uprising in 1944? Is it A. Warsaw, B. Krakow, C. Gdansk, or D. Lodz? It's A. Warsaw. The Warsaw Uprising was crushed by Germans. Level 5. Level 5. Expert. Still perfect? Tell me in the comments. Question 25. What German battleship sister to Bismarck hit in Norway? Your options: A. Tirpitz, B. Scharnhorst, C. Gneisenau, D. Prinz Eugen. It's A. Tirpitz. The Tirpitz was sunk by bombers in 1944. Question 26. What was the capital of unoccupied Vichy France? A. Vichy, B. Lyon, C. Marseille, or D. Bordeaux? Lock it in. It's A. Vichy. The Vichy regime collaborated with Nazis. That one fools almost everyone. Question 27. Who led the Free French forces against Germany? Is it A. Charles de Gaulle, B. Henri Giraud, C. Philippe Pétain, or D. Jean Moulin? It's A. Charles de Gaulle. De Gaulle broadcast from London in 1940. Question 28. Which beach saw the heaviest US casualties on D-Day? Your options: A. Omaha Beach, B. Utah Beach, C. Gold Beach, D. Juno Beach. It's A. Omaha Beach. Omaha Beach was fiercely defended. Question 29. What year did Italy surrender to the Allies? A. 1943, B. 1945, C. 1942, or D. 1944? Lock it in. It's A. 1943. Mussolini was deposed that year. Question 30. What was the German code name for their jet fighter? Is it A. Me-262, B. FW-1990, C. He-111, or D. Ju-87? It's A. Me-262. The Me-262 was the first combat jet. No shame if you missed it. Level 6. Level 6. Master. Still perfect? Tell me in the comments. Question 31. Which conference first planned the UN? Your options: A. Dumbarton Oaks, B. Yalta, C. Potsdam, D. Tehran. It's A. Dumbarton Oaks. It laid groundwork for the United Nations. Question 32. What was the nickname of the German pilot ace Adolf Galland? A. The Star of Africa was for Marseille. B. None of these. C. The Red Baron was WW1. Or D. The Desert Fox was Rommel. Lock it in. It's B. None of these. Galland famously opposed Hitler on jet use. Question 33. What was the name of the 1944 German Ardennes offensive? Is it A. Watch on the Rhine, B. Citadel, C. Sea lion, or D. Valkyrie? It's A. Watch on the Rhine. Watch on the Rhine was its official name. Question 34. Which nation declared war on Japan hours after Pearl Harbor? Your options: A. United Kingdom, B. Australia, C. China, D. Soviet Union. It's A. United Kingdom. Churchill declared war that same day. Most people missed that one. Question 35. What was the code name for the US invasion of Okinawa? A. Operation Iceberg, B. Operation Downfall, C. Operation Olympic, or D. Operation Coronet. Lock it in. It's A. Operation Iceberg. Iceberg was one of the bloodiest battles. Question 36. Who was the German commander at the Battle of Stalingrad? Is it A. Friedrich Paulus, B. Erich von Manstein, C. Walter Model, or D. Gerd von Rundstedt? It's A. Friedrich Paulus. Paulus surrendered the 6th Army there. That's all 36 questions. How did you score? Comment below. Like and subscribe for more quiz challenges.